Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If your car has been acting a little off, maybe it's hesitating, or the acceleration is just plain weird, you might be dealing with a bad throttle position sensor, or TPS for short. Trust me, it can be super frustrating. But don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to walk you through the symptoms of a bad throttle position sensor so you know exactly what to look out for. Let's get into it. First things first, what exactly is a throttle position sensor? Well, think of it as a bridge between you and your car's engine. The TPS monitors the position of the throttle valve in your car's engine, which basically tells the engine how much air to mix with fuel for combustion. If this tiny sensor isn't working properly, it can throw off that balance and cause a whole bunch of issues. If it's faulty, you'll see one or more of these symptoms. Symptom 1, poor acceleration. Ever step on the gas and feel like your car just doesn't want to move? That's one of the most common signs of a bad TPS, poor acceleration or hesitation. Basically, the sensor isn't sending the right information to your car's computer, so your engine doesn't know how much fuel to mix with air. As a result, your car lags when you press the accelerator. Symptom 2, rough idling. Another big symptom? Rough idling. If your car's RPMs are bouncing all over the place when you're at a stop, or worse, if the engine stalls, that's a red flag. A faulty throttle position sensor can send incorrect signals, which leads to inconsistent air-fuel mixtures. This makes the engine struggle to stay running smoothly, especially at idle. Symptom 3, check engine light. The dreaded check engine light. This one is a bit tricky because the check engine light can come on for all sorts of reasons, but if it's accompanied by any of the other symptoms we're talking about, it's worth looking into the throttle position sensor. When your car's computer detects an issue with the TPS, it'll throw a diagnostic trouble code and light up your dashboard. A quick scan with an OBDII scanner can confirm if that's the culprit. Symptom 4, the jerking. Ever had your car randomly jerk or buck while you're driving? Yeah, that can be super unsettling. This happens when the throttle position sensor starts sending inconsistent signals to the engine, leading to sudden bursts of power or, in some cases, cutting out power altogether. It feels like the car can't decide whether to go or stop, and that's a dangerous situation to be in. Replacing the throttle position sensor. Good news is, replacing the throttle position sensor isn't as difficult or expensive as you might think. Depending on your car, the part itself can range from $50 to $200. You can replace it yourself if you're comfortable working under the hood, or you can take it to a trusted mechanic. So, there you have it, the key symptoms of a bad throttle position sensor.